Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's pain. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Octavia.Darling, and I just want to let y'all know before I put some clothes on real quick that my hair is freshly washed, as you can see in a previous clip, and it looks like it's already done. Y'all may hear the wind blowing in the background. I have my window up. I love fresh air, but this was going to be a video where I was going to wash, retwist, and style my locks, but honestly I just received confirmation that I don't need to retwist it yet. Like, it still looked pretty good for the most part, and I just need to oil it, if anything, and moisturize it. So that's what we're going to be doing instead. But before we continue with this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and if you're not already, go ahead and follow me on all social media platforms at Octavia.Darling. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I am back. Hopefully the wind in the background is not like a huge distraction because I'm keeping my window up. But yes, y'all, we gotta do a length check update. I was talking to one of my friends. Is this a piece of hair in my lip? Hopefully not. Okay. It felt like it though. It was. Okay. So I was talking to one of my friends the other day who is also locked. Shout out to you, Vanessa. And we started our lock journey the same year. And I started mine before hers, but we were kind of doing a little length check-in or whatever, and she asked me if I'm like bra strap length yet or whatever, and I told her I'm a little bit past bra strap length, which is the case, you guys. Let me see if I can turn around so y'all can see. Can y'all see? So I'm like right here, hope you can see, and my bra strap is up here, so I'm past bra strap length. If you've been rocking with me for a little while, or you've watched some of my other lock update videos, then you know what my lock goal is. And if you have not been rocking with me for that long yet, then I'll go ahead and share with you what my lock goal is. It is to be waist length. So I've only been locked for 3 years, and if you look at my previous videos, my lock journey videos, you will see that my locks was all the way up here. So I've experienced tremendous growth since then, within these past 3 years. I'm actually very shocked, but I'm super excited because I'm finally at a point now that I can officially say, yeah, I have long locks. Like, I consider my locks to be long. I always said that when the front of my locks get to like my shoulder, which is like just about there or whatever, then I would consider to have long locks. That's because my hair, as you can see, is not the same length. I have layers. In the front, my locks was always like up here, and then the back would be like super long. But I said as soon as the front starts to hang, then I have long locks. So I'm super excited. Anyways, since I'm not going to be retwisting my locks. In this video, I will just share with you all a couple of things when it comes to moisturizing. So I went to the beauty supply store and picked up 2 different natural hair oils because I am pulling away from using gel in my hair to do like retwists and things like that. I want to start just doing retwists with oil. I know it's possible. I know I can do it. I want to try it out, but it definitely won't be today. So we'll save that for another video. But either way, I do want to moisturize my scalp. So I'll show y'all what I got. Alright, so I got some Jamaican black castor oil, and I also got the wild growth oil. Of course, if you are very familiar with castor oil is really good for growing your hair and also just like strengthening your hair as well. You can use it aside from your hair. You can use it on your body. You can use it on your nails, your eyelashes. Look, it says it all right here. So this is like a multi-purpose natural oil. I was really looking for something that did not have any additives like alcohol or water added to it or any other type of additives with the oil. I just want all natural oil, and that's exactly what this is. Okay, so this is from Tropical Isle Living, and as I mentioned previously, I got this from a local beauty supply store. It's pretty pricey. It was $11.99, but it's worth it because it's 100% natural Jamaican black castor oil, so it's definitely worth the investment. The wild growth oil, if you haven't heard of that, this is a pretty good oil as well. Hold on, the wind is really showing out, but I'm here for it. Oh, it feels so good. It has other oils mixed into it as well as like essential oils such as eucalyptus, frankincense, lavender, and peppermint. So the owner of the beauty supply store that I went to, he was extremely educational with oils and teaching me like what kind of ingredients I should look out for and just showing me, you know, different oils and comparing the two so I can be aware. So what he said is, because I have this Jamaican black castor oil, it's good to mix this as a 2-to-1 ratio. So I got one of those little squeezy bottles like this, and I'm going to put about 2 ounces of the castor oil and 1 ounce of the wild growth oil, mix it together, and then apply it to my scalp. Okay, so that's about 2 ounces. And then 1 ounce of this. All right, so I'd say that's about 1 ounce. And then I'm just going to shake it up. Like this. Shake it more. And apply. Jamaican black castor oil is very thick. And I'm just lightly squeezing it throughout my hair because I'm focusing on my scalp. Okay, that's what I'm focusing on. And now that I'm feeling like the texture of this concoction, I think that this would be great when it comes to retwisting my hair because it's kind of thick. It's not like it's a super loose or light oil. And I'm really gonna focus on this side too because I have a little problem area over here. I've always had it on this side. I have like a little thin spot over here. So can you see it? It's like right here. I've always had that since I was younger because when I was younger I decided to cut off an entire ponytail. I was just so curious. Y'all, I must say that the less I focus on my hair, the more it flourishes. And I really mean it. During the week, I do my normal routine of like working out, riding my bike, staying active. or like if I'm not really doing nothing, I naturally put my scarf on when I'm just like in the house. Y'all don't mind this, my deodorant kind of dried up a little bit, but anyways, yeah, I keep my headscarf on if I'm just in the house chilling, you know, and I keep my hands out of my hair for the most part unless I'm like washing it, retwisting it, or styling it, and it does make a difference, I'm telling you. But if you're looking for a sign to lock your hair, let this be it. The overall journey is worth it. If you're locked, what are some oils that you incorporate into your moisturizing routine? What have you found that works best for you? Comment that down below. Also, how long have you been locked? How did you start your locks? Did you do coils? Did you do 2-strand twists? Freeform? Let a sister know. I'm just gonna now massage my scalp. It feels weird, I can't lie. It's not like that soft, silky feeling that a lighter oil would give you, as you may assume. You can tell that it's a thick oil, so just letting y'all know if you never like really used Jamaican black castor oil. I used to use it when I was a loose natural, but I've never used it as a locked goddess. Y'all see my roots? But if you are interested in starting your lock journey, I have a lot of videos that will help convince you as to why you should start it. And I've been capturing my lock journey these last 3 years. So if you're looking for some kind of inspiration, I'll make sure to link those videos, probably just the entire playlist, because I have a lock journey playlist, and then I have lock styles playlist, I believe, too. If you're interested, definitely check those out. But that concludes today's video. If you haven't checked out my most recent videos, I shared a vlog on how I am creating my own reality. I highly encourage you to check it out. The message I shared is phenomenal. I'm sure it will resonate with some of you. And then my most recent video, I've introduced you all to my health and fitness journey. So my next video is going to be my gym routine. That will be coming out later this week, so stay tuned for that. Anything else? This is just some housekeeping things, guys. Yeah, so make sure you turn on post notifications and that you're subscribed, because you don't want to miss out on these videos when I post them. And yeah, I think that's about it. So as always, thank you all for supporting me and for being a part of this community. I really appreciate you, and I hope you all have a phenomenal week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.